Are you struggling to rank higher on Google despite using all the right keywords? The secret might lie in understanding semantic keywords. Many believe in the power of LSI keywords. But did you know Google doesn't actually use latent semantic indexing to rank search results? Instead, Google employs advanced semantic analysis to grasp the true context of your content, making semantic keywords crucial for SEO. Imagine searching for Wall Street and getting results about murals. Semantic analysis ensures you get finance-related content instead. Latent Semantic Analysis, LSA, helps identify conceptually related words, but Google uses more sophisticated methods today. Google's Knowledge Graph, NLP, and AI systems map words to concepts, understanding context beyond mere keyword matches. To optimize your content, focus on semantic keywords that align with your topic, enhancing Google's comprehension of your page. Tools like SEMrush can help you find these keywords effortlessly, analyzing top results and providing actionable insights. For existing content, SEMrush's on-page SEO checker identifies missing semantic keywords, offering detailed optimization suggestions. Boost your organic traffic and engagement by integrating semantic keywords, making your content more relevant and comprehensive.